Soccer DBB number 27. It's 2015 Topps Champions League Showcase. It's the last box I had for this week, I guess. So let's do the team random. Team random, not so good teams first. Dice roll is for both random. Snake Eyes reroll. Good luck. It is 4 times. 4 times on the teams. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Sevilla on top and Moscow Zenit at the bottom. Copy it into our list. Oops. Hintergrund wollte ich eigentlich mitnehmen. There you go. And the good teams, guys. Good luck. 4 times as well. Hast ein Sami Nasri Auto getroffen. 2, Hector. 3, and last fine time, good luck. 4, we have Real Madrid on top. And AC Milan at the bottom. Alright, here are your teams, guys. Stats gets Real Madrid, Juve, Sergio gets Gladbach combo, Ole gets Chelsea, Stefan gets Barca, René gets Manu, Ricky gets Atletico, Ole gets Arsenal, Sergio gets Bayern, Ricky gets AC Milan, Stefan gets Sevilla combo and Olympiacos, Sergio gets Astana combo, Ole gets Eindhoven, Stefan gets Gala, René gets Porto combo, sorry. Ricky gets Paris, Ole gets Malmö, Sergio gets Ghent, and Ricky gets Moscow combo. That are your teams. Good luck onto the break. Ole tauschen. Arsenal gegen Atletico. Oder Arsenal gegen AC Milan von mir aus. Wenn, dann jetzt schnell. Mach schon mal auf. DBB 27, guys. I will be posting a few more DBBs for tomorrow. Okay, Annie. Ich habe eh schon alles. Ich muss jetzt mein Team halten. Alright, here we go. Tomorrow I'll post some more daily box breaks. I guess it's a lot of tops for tomorrow. We got Premier Gold 2015, 12.5, and 2016. One second, guys. Stats, guck mal bei Cyrus, hat EPL. Zu spät. Alright, guys, good luck. Top Champions League Showcase. DBB 27. Here we go. Come on, give us a sick hit. We got Barca, road to victory in Neymar. We got Philipp Lahm, Bayern. Ooh, we got a best of the best in here. So no number card, I guess. So best of the best is, first up is Rosenberg. Best of the best is Manchester United, David De Gea. Nice hit. That's the regular one, De Gea. Alright. Let's look for the autograph. We got Hulk for Zenit. Oh, printing plate! Wow! Printing plate going to ZSKA Moscow. And that is Ricky. Wow, I'm lucky today. Pontus Wernbloom. 101. Printing plate. Wow, I haven't put a printing plate in this product for a long time now. So nice plate in this box. Alright, next seat. We got base. Turn around. We have Renato Neto for Gent, sorry. We have Selçuk Inan, and the autograph is one we all know. Should be, yep, Esteban Cambiaso for Olympiacos. Alright, second stack. We have Dani Perejo. Is this auto? Oh wow, autograph already here. So no insert auto. Too bad. We got Barca, Jordi Alba. We got Decorate and Dignified, Dario Serna. We have Dominguez, Olympiacos. We got to 99, Alex Teixeira for Donetsk. Shakhtar Donetsk, and that is, who is Donetsk? Donetsk is Sergio. We got Gigi Buffon. We got again Buffon. Both for Juve. Alright, autograph. Good luck, guys. It is going to Michael Carrick and Manchester United. Wow. Cool. Manu. We had Manu. Renee. Nice hit. Michael Carrick. Alright, that's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.